Hey guys, this is KS Shop 3, and also you may not recognize me as ta-da! Kelton Staver. Now I made this channel because I wanted to review some stuff. And this is pretty much my review channel, so I might be collecting toys, game boards, and other stuff. But, so, it's kind of like Lucky Penny Shop. I was really impressed with his work, and I'm not trying to copy him and all, but it's just so cool. And then fast food toy reviews. Just, come on. There's got to be a third one in there. And you may remember Lily.
Hi guys.
She's gonna be one of the.
By the way, I will be working on Kelton to make him a website. So if you also want to check out my website.
So yeah, I have three YouTube accounts. One of them is just my casual one. The other one, you may know my first one, Kelton Staver. My second one, I've probably explained a couple of times, Indeed to Go Ninja, 1999. And now a new one, so there's a third one, KS Shop 3. So today, what I want to show you is the Pac-Man joystick. And in a couple of minutes, we're going to go connect this to the TV and play it. But yeah. I collected this. As you may see, there is a power switch. Little joystick. It's just like one of those classic arcade games. And I know, I'm very sorry, but most of the reviews I'm going to be doing is going to come in a box. So, you got the two buttons. The joystick. The power switch. Alright. So, I will be right back while I go plug this in to the TV, and Lily Alright, I connected it to the TV. I don't know how I'm going to put this. Where I'm going to put it.
The movie or Wii, which we might be doing a game of Super Sonic. Maybe.
Yeah, we might do that on my Indigo Ninja channel. No, actually,
Put it on here.
I'm sorry guys, but I think that channel, the Indigo Ninja 1999 channel, is kind of gonna go away. So now I'm gonna have just two channels: Kelton Staver, which is very, you guys all know. And then, KS Shop. Now hold on, my computer password turned off, so give me a second while I enter that in. I'm also going to be making a website, kshop3.com. Okay. Alright, so we're going to turn this on. You see it? Now, these games are actually pretty fun.
You start with the original pac-man, because the game...
Yeah, we'll start out with Oops, I don't want to do Super Pac-Man.
Camera's a little wonky. Sorry guys, I'm trying to fix...
Lily, stop messing around with the camera.
Trying to see if I... There we go.
You can see it?
Yeah.
Alright. So we're gonna start out with the classic Pac-Man. Now I'm sorry you can't see it that good all the way through because apparently my this is actually a computer monitor, so yeah, I mean it's just so far I'm doing good. Okay, guys, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you for now. I will be doing more. Like, I will be reviewing games, toys, books, well, maybe books, toys, games, board games, maybe some Happy Meal toys if I get a set, all kinds of stuff. So, yeah, and maybe some DVDs. So, yeah, see you later. Bye!
See ya. Peace, guys.
And also subscribe. Wait, one more thing. Subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Fourth thing, check out the website that's going to come out.
And check out my channel, too. It's Pink Wolf 306. I might be making a new channel, so stay tuned for that.
Okay. And check out Kelton Staver.
Whatever the website
You all
will be.
know Kelton Staver probably, but like, comment, subscribe for this channel.
See ya.
See ya.